Hey editors! Today I want to show you how to create a text message pop-up animation in Premiere Pro. Let's start by creating the chat bubble. So go to Project Panel, click on New Item button and select Sequence. Then choose your own desired setting and change its name to Person 1. Then click on OK. Go to Created Sequence Timeline. Select the rectangle tool and draw out the building block for your chat bubble on our preview screen like this. Now go to the Essential Graphics panel. If you don't see it, go to Window tab and select Essential Graphics. Then under Align and Transform section, click on both Align Center horizontally and Align Center vertically. Then increase the value of corner radius until your rectangle starts to take the chat bubble shape. Then go to your toolbar. Select the Pen tool. Click on an empty space on the timeline and then go to your preview window. Make a triangle shape by clicking on 3 points in the corner of your bubble. Now select the Selection tool. Highlight both graphic layers and increase their duration to a large amount. Then right-click on any of them. Select Nest and click on OK. Then with the nested clip highlighted, go to Effects Controls and change the opacity down to 85%. So your chat bubble is created. You could also download these ready bubble boxes from my Telegram channel and use them instead. Now put the time indicator at the start of the timeline. Select the Type tool and type your text in the chat bubble. Then click on an empty space on the timeline and type first-person name and time in preview window like this. Select both text layers and increase their duration to match the nested sequence. Then right-click on the start of second text layer. Select Apply Default Transitions. Double-click on the transition and change the duration to 10. Now go to Project Panel. Right-click on Person 1 sequence and select Duplicate. Then right-click on Duplicated Sequence and rename it to Person 2. Double-click on Person 2 sequence. Go to Effects panel. Search for Horizontal Flip and add it to Nested Sequence. Then change the name of second person in Name text layer by double-clicking on it and change the main text and reposition it. You could also download sent and received message sound effects from my Telegram channel and add it to your pop-up animation to enhance the attraction of your bubbles. Now go to your main sequence. Add Person 1 to your timeline, then go to Effect Controls panel and change the scale and position as you want. Put the time indicator at the start of the layer. Click on the stopwatch next to scale and change its value to 0. Then move forward about 6 frames. Change the scale value to something more than your default. For example, 45. Move forward about 2 frames more and change the scale value back to your default. Go to Effects panel. Search for Color Replace. Add it to Person 1 layer. Select Ink Dropper icon of target color. Go to Preview window and click on your bubble, then change the replace color to blue. Now go to Project panel. Add Person 2 sequence to your timeline. Right-click on Person 1 layer, select Copy. Right-click on Person 2 layer and select Paste Attributes, then click on OK. Person 2 layer needs some changes, so go to Effect Controls panel. Increase the position's Y value and change the replace color to red. It's ready, but to make it more attractive, select the Person 1 layer, go to Effect Controls panel, click on Motion, go to Preview window and move this anchor point to this corner of the bubble, then do the same for Person 2 layer. Now you made this cute chat animation, so please like this video to support me and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Wishing you all the best and see you in next video.